quick cook up. So what I got right in front of me is some rosemary, some thyme, salt, black pepper. Where's the olive oil? Olive oil. And some olive oil. So this is gonna be my marinade, right? So got this in this bag. Got some pork chops, and I don't know what you call this one right here. So pork chop, but it's like in cubes. Like I'm not too sure what this one's called. So got some together, mixed it up, let it marinate for about an hour, and then I'll throw it down in the stove. So got the rosemary in here, got the thyme in here someplace, olive oil, salt, black pepper. I mix it up real well. Oh, and some basil. Throw a little basil in here too as well. So I'll let it sit down for a little bit. Let it soak all that into the meat. About an hour or 2 hours or so. And then we come back to it. Right now I got the lamb chops in the frying pan cooking up. So I'm gonna get this well done, nice and crispy on the outside, nice and tender on the inside. This is how it's looking so far, guys. So the heat zone come back hard. Stay tuned. In the new kitchen too as well. Right now I got these cooking up. This is how it looks when it's coming out. It looks nice and crisp and tender on the inside. Well seasoned. Just right.